Prognozy Capital provides the latest market snapshot as of November 7, 2023. The Nifty index experienced a negative close at 19,406.7, with a decrease of 5.05 points and a long unwind observed, resulting in a decrease of 708 contracts in open interest. However, there are nifty option buildups in the November 9, 2023 expiry, with a resistance or call OI buildup at 19,500, up by 15.61%. And a support or put OI buildup at 19,300, down by 6.26%. New call and put writers have shifted down to 19,450 and 18,950, respectively, indicating bearish setups. On the other hand, banknifty closed positively at 43,737.9, with an increase of 118.5 points and short covering observed, resulting in a decrease of 1,033.8 contracts in open interest. Banknifty option buildups in the November 8, 2023 expiry show a resistance or call option OI buildup at 44,500, up by 61.72%, and a support or put option OI buildup at 43,600, up by 133.78%. New call and put writers have shifted to the same strike, suggesting a range-bound market. Fiidata analysis, cash segments. Today, the foreign institutional investors, FII, made a sale of 497.21 CR in the cash market. On the other hand, the domestic institutional investors, DII, bought 700.28 CR in the same segment. Moving on to the F&O segments, the FII made some interesting moves. They bought 125.34 CR in index futures and a whopping 4,185.21 CR in index options. Additionally, they also bought 939.71 CR in stocks futures and 22.57 CR in stocks options. In total, their net buying in the F&O market amounted to 5,272.85 CR. Now, let's dive into the derivatives segments. In the index futures, the FII closed 1,489 long contracts and 2,478 short contracts. As a result, they are now net short in the index with minus 146,381 contracts, compared to the previous minus 147,370 contracts. Shifting our focus to the stocks futures, the FII added 13,479 long contracts and 2,329 short contracts. This means that they are now net short in stocks with minus 106,124 contracts, as opposed to the previous minus 117,274 contracts. FII has made significant moves in index options, adding a large number of call long and put shorts contracts. The total contracts for the day reach an impressive 212,886. Additionally, FII has also made bearish buildups, adding a substantial number of put long and call shorts contracts, totaling 214,692 contracts. Taking a closer look at the FII index option analysis, the net put long contracts amount to 352,225, slightly higher than the previous 350,461 contracts. Meanwhile, the net call long contracts stand at 145,669. Slightly lower than the previous 145,711 contracts. Overall, the option buildups on the short side outweigh the long side, suggesting limited upside potential. In conclusion, FII's data analysis in the derivatives segments provides valuable insights into their activities in the index, stocks, and index options. These movements shed light on their positions and suggest potential market trends. Stay tuned for more updates and insights on the Prognozy Capital podcast, where we bring you the latest developments in the Indian stocks market.